Look at your screen. You know what that is? That's the Fulton County Jail in Georgia. That is the jail under federal investigation for civil rights violations where any day former President Donald Trump and 18 others will be booked. Attorney for the family of Lashawn Thompson is joining us. The Thompson was being held in the Fulton County Jail when he was found dead, infested with bed bugs. Michael Harper joins me. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Greta. Thank you for having me.
And first, my condolences to the family. I realized Michael Harper was in jail, and I know that he had some mental problems. But his family loved him, and he was found dead. And tell me about the bed bugs are just over and above, as far as I'm concerned, which is only part of the investigation of this horrible facility. But tell me about what happened.
This is a horrible case, Greta. As you know, Lashawn Thompson was arrested in June of last year for a misdemeanor. And he did have some psychological issues. He had schizophrenia. He goes into the Fulton County Jail. He's placed in a regular cell. And over the next 3 months, it deteriorated to the point of just being deplorable with the photos that you have shown of that jail condition, to the point that he became infested with bed bugs and insects and was found dead on the floor of that deplorable, dirty cell.
Well, the bed bugs didn't just show up the day he died, and it didn't just happen. This must be chronically the problem inside that prison, and not just the bed bugs, but all the disgust and filth and waste that we've seen. How long had this been going on, and everybody's looking the other way?
Well, my practice, I specialize in correctional medicine, and I've sued the Fulton County Jail for many, many years, going back 5 years at least. It is a pervasive problem in that jail, which is why the Department of Justice has finally launched an investigation, which I have been calling for years. But absolutely, that doesn't happen overnight. That condition of that cell that you saw is a chronic condition that's been going on for years, and no one deserves, no matter what you've done. This is a jail, as you know, Greta, with your legal background. This is not a prison. These people are being held as pretrial detainees. They haven't even been found guilty. Not if it matters if they have, but it's just a horrible place to hold people before they go to trial. They can't afford bond or can't get out. It's a chronic condition that needs to be changed.
All right, this is the place where the Fulton County DA says, send the person to jail until trial if he can't make bond. Did the DA, Fani Willis, did she know about the conditions there, do you think?
Oh, she's well aware. When we asked for the Department of Justice and the local district attorney's office, Fani Willis' office, to investigate this jail, and they have done so. They have investigated the jail for many, many years, so she's well aware of the jail conditions, and the county says they're going to do better and possibly replace the jail and clean it up. But this has been going on for many years, and to answer your question, yes, she's well aware of these jail conditions. And
yet she continues to ask people we sent there. Okay, your client was there on a misdemeanor, a $2,500 bond that some judge sent. Would a 10% bondsman have been able to bail this person out? So did he die for $250 full of bed bugs in a situation where the DA knew that this conditions exist in this jail?
Well, it's a horrible situation for a lot of people, as you well know. Unfortunately, Mr. Thompson was homeless, and his family lived in Florida, in Winter Haven, Florida. They're not even from Atlanta. He chose to come to Atlanta, Mr. Thompson did. So the family, quite frankly, didn't know where he was. They looked for him and tried to find him.
What was the charge he was in there for?
It was misdemeanor battery.
Okay, so he got the death penalty for that, basically.
Absolutely. The family didn't know where he was. He was mentally ill. He couldn't reach out to anyone. He had what's called decompensating schizophrenia, meaning he could not care for himself. And they knew this. The jail medical contractor knew this. They all knew that he couldn't care for himself. No one could speak out for him. And yes, it was a death sentence. Over a period of 3 months, he deteriorated to the point that he was found dead. Horrible case.
Terrible, terrible situation. Shame on Fulton County Jail and everybody who's part of this. Michael Harper, thank you, and good luck, sir.
Thank you for having me.